In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion, ways to use the Notion app. To begin, open Notion and go to your home area. Home is your main landing page, and it is where you can quickly pick up where you left off. If you use Notion across multiple devices, Home is also a reliable place to confirm you are in the right workspace before you start creating anything new. Next, look to the left sidebar and select Recents. This view is designed to save time by showing the pages you have opened or edited recently. It is especially helpful when you are juggling multiple projects because you do not have to dig through folders to find your last document. If you do not see what you need right away, give it a moment to load, and remember that Recents reflects activity, so older pages may not appear if you have not opened them lately. From there, click into Agents. Think of this as a space where a specific set of pages lives. Opening it helps you focus on a particular area of work instead of browsing your entire Notion setup. Now, click on Private. Private is where pages are only visible to you. This is a good place for drafts, personal notes, or early versions of ideas that you are not ready to share. It also helps you separate personal work from shared teamwork, which keeps your sidebar cleaner and easier to navigate. Next, click on Team Spaces. Team Spaces are shared areas designed for collaboration, where groups can organize pages, databases, and workflows together. You may see Team Spaces listed in more than one place in the sidebar, depending on how your Notion layout is set up, so select Team Spaces again if it appears. Now choose New Team Space. If the option appears more than once, select it again to continue. Creating a team space is a simple way to bundle related work into one shared hub, so teammates can find the right resources without searching across unrelated pages. Once you are in the Templates or Options list, select Sales CRM. This gives you a ready-made structure tailored to managing leads, deals, and client information. After that, click Business Plan Builder to open it. This page is useful for outlining goals and strategy in a structured format, and you can customize it later to match your process. That covers everything you need to know.